Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Grow with Google Cloud. Today I am talking about how we'll use Imagen model to create a image. So let's go ahead and explore how we'll create a image. So first of all, we'll, click on navigation menu. As soon as you are here, then just click on Vertex AI. Once you are in Vertex AI, then click on Media Studio. So once you are in click on Media Studio. So these are the options which will be available like Media Studio page. So there are some options is available, but quickly we'll go and check the image and model. How now, as you can see, this is the model name, showing image Gen 3 is the new one, and with the help of this model how we'll create a image, right? So the image dimension, you can select anything. Okay, let me select one for the demo. Then just write a prompt. So help me to create a uh, logo of Gen AI for marketing purpose. So this is the prompt. What you will do if you want to enhance. So you just click on here, and whatever the prompt which you have written, that once if you want to enhance the prompt, just click on enhance. Once you click enhance, so it will be help to generate a modify content. If your content is everything it looks good, so you can just replace. As soon as replace the content, just click on hit in enter, hit and enter. So then it will start create a image. So now you see the image, it will take some time to create. So you see this is the four options created for Gen AI logo. So you can use for your marketing purpose. So similarly, you can use for your own business marketing logo or marketing image, whatever the image you want. For example, I want to create a image something like, for my, suppose I have a retail industry, but I want to create a image for my website, to upload it. So help me to create cake peak. So it will create a cake for me, so that if I have a cake business, so I'll put that cake for in website to access it. So this is a, it's a very beautiful cake. Similarly, if I want a image to upload into, help me help me to create suits for marketing marketing. Click hit enter. Wait for the so image, so to use my website for my so business. So similarly, yeah, so you can see, you can put in your website, e-commerce website, right? So this is one quick example, but if you want image for your marketing, so Imagen will help you to quickly create the image. And but how, the question is how will integrate with your website. So this is the one option which you can click on get the code, and you follow the steps. Step one, how to install the pip install upgrade, use your Google Cloud AI platform. Then second steps you follow, this is a already well designed program automatically text generated. So you just you use Python code, or what you will do, you'll put this call command, right, for your project to access, to create a image and upload it. And API reference link is also available to connect. So all these possible step is available based on your requirement. You can able to use that very easily, in easy way, in your own business. So that's it of this today's video. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So see you in next video. Thank you.